with heart. It is something that, as I said, if you look at the, just to also add to the impact on the community. For one thing, I think there are 2 points I'd like to make there. First is how it has impacted our employees. Diba? And, the awareness and the commitment that all our mall managers, down to the BAOs, down to the marketing officers, really put behind, supporting the ASP has really been very, very strong. No? You're oriented on it, yet we have sensitivity trainings periodically. So it's not something that's done only once, di ba? It is done multiple times because it has to be a part of your DNA and not only something that you do once so that you can publicize or do a PR that you have done. Diba? And secondly, I think in terms of the community, Ms. Mona said it well, it has exploded in terms of quantity. And one thing that's really makes us proud and really makes us very thankful is that you can see persons, our advocacy on persons with disabilities or people on the spectrum, when they walk in the mall, they walk with their head high. They do not walk as, they do not fear of being judged because we have made sure that it is a safe space and it is an inclusive space for everyone, for all countries.
Umpisa na po yung trabaho natin with SM for Inclusive Employment. SM Markets po ang unang-una. So nagkaroon po kami ng mga baggers at merchandisers on the spectrum. Ang dami nila, nung una, parang natakot sila. Actually, 2014 pa lang, nanghihiligaw na kami. Sabi nila, hindi, let's prepare the organization first. So ang pilot po namin is 2016. 3 employees in one store. But in 2 years, naka 100 employees na po kami. So ganun po malaki. And this year, we signed a new MOU for super malls naman po. And sa super malls po, our first merchant, so to speak, is going to be Bookmo. But it's not really a merchant, but it is a space, a learning space, which was an idea from Miss Shireen C. Siya po ang nag-push on. And yun, parang ang key po dyan is to find things that they would be good at.